Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
Good evening, everyone. I'm audible,
Good
to
evening,
right?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So last class, sir, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? Nature of roots, right? Nature of roots. So in last year, you are doing factorization using splitting the middle term method or using factor theorem, alva? So ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ factorization ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ polynomials either by splitting the middle term method. If it is a quadratic equation ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, so splitting the middle term method or by using factor theorem. So factor theorem na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. But now you have a formula to find the roots, ಅಲ್ವಾ? So roots na find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, solution na find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, zero na find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ you have a formula. So that formula is called as Sridharacharya's formula method, ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ಯಾವ್ದದು formula? So for example, I have a quadratic equation like this: ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. A, b, c are any real numbers. So therefore x will be equal to plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula to calculate the root of, to find the root of any quadratic equation. So ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು quadratic equation ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ you can easily find the roots by using this formula. So in this formula, this b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant, right? So that is denoted by, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ discriminant na? So discriminant is denoted by delta, right? Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So if this delta is less than 0, what happens if this delta is less than 0? Roots, ಯಾವ type of roots ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ if delta is less than 0? So observe ಮಾಡಿ, less than 0 means ಯಾವ type of numbers ಬರೋದು ನನಗೆ? Less than 0 means negative numbers, right? So 0 ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ negative numbers. So this b square minus 4 ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Square root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. b square minus 4ac. So square root of negative. Square root of negative means non-real numbers ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ roots are complex. Okay, roots are complex or no real roots. No real roots, right? What happens if delta is equal to 0? Yes, Avanish, delta is equal to 0. Nature of roots will be discriminant is equal to 0. ಯಾವ type of roots ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ? So real and equal roots ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Real and equal roots. If delta is greater than 0, real and distinct zeros. Real and distinct zeros. Distinct roots. Okay, distinct roots ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the nature of roots. So b square minus 4ac less than 0 ಇದ್ರೆ you are going to get no real roots. That means complex roots ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so if discriminant is equal to 0, you will get two real and equal roots. So equal roots ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, so discriminant greater than 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ two real and distinct roots. So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ roots ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. For example, 2x is equal to 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 roots ಬಂದಂಗೆ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to 2, 2 ಆ type of numbers. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ real numbers ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪಿ ಯು ಹೋದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಸೊ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ksheet number, page number 7, question number 2, right? ಅಲ್ವಾ, page number 7, question number 2. 3 ನಾ 2 ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಾ, page number 7, question number 3. Page number 7, question number 3. Okay. Yes, Sanghavi, can you read the question number 3? Sanghavi?
Yes, sir.
3 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತಾ?
Sir.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 3 ಇತ್ತಾ? ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, sir.
ಹಾ, ಏನಿದೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸಬ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್?
2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0.
Plus 3 is equal to 0. So ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. So first ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ರಿಯಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Nature of the roots. So the first task is finding the nature of the roots, right? So to find the nature of the roots, you need to check the discriminant. Nature of the roots. So first task, nature of the roots find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So I am going to find out the discriminant. So discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. So in this quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3, right? So the value of b is minus 6. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 2, the value of c is 3. So we will get minus 6 square means plus 36. Minus 6 into minus 6 will be plus 36. Minus 4 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Oh, sorry, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 36 minus 24 will be 12. 12 is greater than 0. That means delta is greater than 0, which implies roots are real and equal, right? Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. So greater than 0 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, right? So if real root exists, we need to find those roots. ಅದರ ಆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು, ಅಲ್ವಾ? So by using formula method or by using splitting the middle term method. So now formula ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so we already have ABC here. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, alva? So what is the value of b? Minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of discriminant value is, so formula na itara replace ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು, minus b plus or minus root delta divided by 2a. So discriminant value is 12, root 12 divided by 2 into 2. Therefore the answer is minus into minus become plus. So 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 4. Okay, so this is the answer. You have two real roots here, right? 6 plus root 12 by 4. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6 minus root 12 by 4. So ಇನ್ನ simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ. 6 plus or minus root 12 can be written as root 12 can be written as square
Sir,
root
2
of
into 3 into 2.
2 into 2 into 3. That means 4 into 3. So root 4 will be 2. You are left out with root 3. 2 root 3 divided by 2. So the final answer is, if you divide it by 2, you will get 3 plus or minus root 3. Alva, 6 by 2 is 3, 2 by 2 is 1. 3 plus or minus root 3. Sorry, Alva. 3 plus or minus root 3. So one root is 3 plus root 3. The second root is 3 minus root 3. Two distinct real roots. Two distinct real roots because discriminant is greater than 0. Clear? Clear, online students? Godagida
Yes,
alva?
Sir.
Sir, 1 minute,
Yes,
can you show
sir.
the previous page?
Previous slide, okay. ಯಾಕೆ ದುರ್ಗೇಶ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
Sir, yes, you can change.
Okay. Done? ಮುಗಿತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next you have third question. So can you read the third question, Bharat? Second question, sorry. Second question, Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
The discriminant of the equation
of the equation
x plus whole to whole to the power 3 equals 4 minus x plus x cube
4 minus x plus x cube
is
the
options.
So options ಏನೇನಿದೆ?
A 52, B 53, 64, D
So
72.
last option is 72. 72. So observe here. So they have given one expression like this. Equation x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 4 minus x plus x cube. So and they are asking find the discriminant of the equation. Okay, so discriminant find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But discriminant ನ ಯಾವುದು find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು for quadratic equations, right? So that means a given equation na we need to reduce it to quadratic equation. Reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, so observe here you have x plus 1 whole cube. That means you need to remember this identity a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube will be a plus b whole cube will be equal to a cube plus so a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? a cube plus b cube plus so ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So this is the a plus b whole cube identity. So now we have x plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube, x plus 1 whole cube. So x plus 1 whole cube will be equal to, so first let me write the equation. X plus 1 whole cube is equal to 4 minus x plus x cube. X plus 1 whole cube will be equal to x cube plus 1 cube will be 1 plus 3a square b, 3x square into 1 will be 3x square only, plus 3ab square. 3a is x, b square means 1 square, 1 square is 1. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3x ಬಂದಿದೆ, which will be equal to 4 minus x plus x cube, right? So just ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, I'm applying the identity a plus b whole cube. Okay. So observe here, we have x cube here, x cube here. Cancel ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we are left out with 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So if I take out this 4 minus x to left hand side, it becomes minus 4 plus x, which will be equal to 0. So finally I have 3x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore the quadratic equation is 3x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, cubic equation ತರ ಇತ್ತದು, but it is a quadratic equation. So reduce ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we will get quadratic equation. If I reduce this equation, I will get quadratic equation. So now we can easily find out the discriminant value. So in this equation, the value of a is 3, the value of b is 4, the value of c is minus 3. Therefore, discriminant value will be equal to b square minus 4ac, that is 4 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 3. So 4 square is 16. So minus into minus become plus 36. 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. 36 plus 16 will be 52. So therefore the correct answer is option A. They are just asking find the discriminant of the equation. So solve madodin beda. So just we need to find the discriminant value. So the discriminant value is 52. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So just ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, a plus b whole cube. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ x plus 1 whole cube ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, x plus 1 whole cube ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, a plus b whole cube ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, x plus 1 whole cube ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ 2 cube ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 is multiplied 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ x plus 1 whole cube means x plus 1 is multiplied 3 times, x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ x plus 1 into x plus 1 ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ x plus 1 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿನ a plus b whole cube ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ 9th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್, ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್
Yes, sir.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ಇದು? ಎಸ್ ಅವನಿಶ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಅವನಿಶ್.
Sir, I don't.
Third question, Avanish, page number 7.
Sir, I don't have the question paper right.
Okay. Yes, Swara, can you read the third question? Swara.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What is slash r the roots of 3x square is equal to 6x?
So the question is what is or are? What are the roots of? 3x square is equal to 6. 6x. 3x square is 6x. What is or are the roots of 3x square is equal to 6x? So they have options like this, only 2. Option B is only 3. Option C is only 0 and 6. 0 and 6. Option D is 0 and 2. 0 and 2. right? So observe here, they have given actually quadratic equation, right? 3x square is equal to 6x. So if I write it in the standard form, it reduces to 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0, right? So itara reduce agutte. So athwa ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು first step alla. So if you divide it by 3, you will get x square is equal to 2x, right? X square is equal to 2x. So then it becomes x square minus 2x is equal to 0. So if you take out x common, you are left out with one ನಿಮಿಷ. So if you take out x common, you are left out with x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? You are left out with x minus 2 is equal to 0. So the zeros are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, right? So x minus 2 is equal to 0 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. If product of two terms is equal to 0 means either the first one is 0 or the second term is 0. X minus 2 is 0. That means x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Okay. So the answer will be 0 and 2. Zero and 2. Clear? So 0 and 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. 3x square is equal to 2. 3x square is equal to 6x. Okay. So in general, if constant term is absent, constant term illa anta helidre 0 yavaglu ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So constant term absent ಇದೆ. For example, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು quadratic equation standard form. So constant term ಏನಾಗಿದೆ absent ಇದೆ. C is equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ one of the root will be 0. Okay. One of the 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು root. Next one. So next